So your JBL Charge 6 isn't turning on, no light, no OS. Let's walk through a few things you can try right now. The first thing, start with a full charge, so plug it and let it charge for at least 2.5 hours. Because the speaker hasn't been used in a long time, the battery can go completely flat. So charge it properly. If it feels like it's charging slowly, just leave it for another hour. And always try to use the original charger first, and if that still doesn't work, swap in another cable to see if that's the problem. Next, you have to check the charging port, so if you see any dust or dirt, just clean it with a quick blast of compressed air and a soft cotton bud. And at the same time, just give the power button a firm press and hold it for 2 to 3 seconds. Make sure it doesn't feel stuck or loose. Next, you can try by a soft reset. Just hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds and see if the speaker restores. If the soft reset doesn't work, try hard reset, so press and hold the play button and the volume up button at the same time until you see it come back on. If none of this work, it may be a hardware issue. So it's best to take it to a local repair shop or an authorized JBL service center so they can figure out what's really going on. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.